At 2019's Innovation Summit, we got a chance to talk to some of our top clients, like Luke Faeth from Wellmark Blue Cross Blue Shield. We asked Luke about his experience with Topcoder and how it's changed the way they work.
I'm Luke Faeth. I'm the lead business systems analyst for Wellmark Blue Cross Blue Shield. We're a Blue Cross carrier. We're part of the Blue Cross Association, so there's 36 plans throughout the U.S., and we're covering the states of Iowa and South Dakota and interact with providers and members and employer groups to provide healthcare coverage.
Why did you start working with Topcoder?
We're in the Midwest, we're in Des Moines, Iowa, and initially the labor market is tight in IT. As we saw in the presentations today, they're forecasting kind of shortage in that pool. In our market, especially the labor talent is very tight. With Topcoder, we have access to global talent pools for people that are not in our local market and just have access to scale across all those resources to help us deliver our projects.
What does Topcoder bring to Wellmark?
What has been the benefit of working with Topcoder? A great account team and just rapid results. My counterpart, Dan, and I recently got pulled into a project that wasn't going super well with an existing vendor partner. They were working on building out a UI in 4 months and haven't really delivered much. I was able to partner with our account team to assess the current state of the wires that we had for the project for the front end and just get a quick estimate as far as time and materials and how long the challenges would run. We'll be using them for this project instead because they're going to be able to deliver at a much faster rate than our other vendor partners.
What types of projects has Wellmark worked on with Topcoder?
So for the project that we worked on with Topcoder, we started off with a large enterprise investment. It's a sales tool for our agents to sell to our groups. So we basically built out kind of what we're calling Hello World, where they've actually built out the whole application and are running that in AWS environment on Topcoder side to help support and augment all of our deliverables with that platform to supplement the intake of work that we already have going through our existing Scrum teams. There are other projects that we're pumping through. We've done a data science challenge where we had a very large, complex portfolio of benefits, and they rationalize the benefits to help us produce a more standardized output that we can offer to our groups. And then we've got a couple other design and UI challenges that we're looking and very excited to use them just based on the rate of speed and delivery and scale and cost savings.
How'd we do?
I'm not a developer myself, but the quality has been fantastic. One of the tools that we had Topcoder build out for us, our chief software engineer and another delivery leader were able to do the code scan and code review in like less than an hour, and just super impressed with the level of documentation, not only in the code for comments, but also the videos and the reviews that were provided with the tool that was built by Topcoder. So we've been very pleased and impressed with the quality.
Are there any types of projects that you'd like to work on with us in the future?
What types of projects would I be interested in tackling? Anything that is a crowd fit. We're excited to scale out kind of the crowd within our company and potentially augment our other labor models as we prove out the process just with a speed, scale, and cost savings. We're starting more with the easier crowd fit kind of UI right now, but we're looking at how do we provide our APIs and our back-end services in a way that's secure and safe to have handed off to the crowd, and we can bring that back in and help us deliver more quickly. Yeah, we're excited to partner with Topcoder for three things. It's quality, speed, and results.
Topcoder, the simplest way to access and execute with incredible digital talent.